Hey, it's Matt with McGee Farms, and got another package in. Actually had this about a week. I just haven't had a chance to get around to it, but finally pulling it out. I'm going to start taking a look at it and putting it together. This is from our good friends at Yintatech. I can never pronounce that right. They've got Yinta Home, Yinta Auto, or Yinta Motors, Yintatech, and good products, a lot of car products, a lot of tractor products. And they sent us another package. I'm going to try to get in here. I guess I'll just rip the box, be the easiest way to do it. And we'll see what they sent us this time. All right, so I'll look in here, and this is not exactly sure what they've got for the name of it. Basically, it's a sleeve hitch box blade. And I don't have anything with a sleeve hitch on it. So when they originally said something to me, you know, I was kind of like, no, I don't think so. But I got thinking about it. My son-in-law, I bought them a nice little BX tractor with a belly mower. They've got about 4 acres on the far end of our farm, way down there, that they had bought. And that's the only tractor he has. He doesn't have any big ones like I have. And the one he's got, you know, won't handle a 5-foot blade, and 4-foot stuff is very expensive if you've ever priced them out. So I got thinking, I'm like, you know what? They said this will work for ATVs and sleeve hitches. My guess is I can make this work with 3-point. And I kind of got an idea for it. So we're going to get this out and put it together. And then we're going to start, we're going to try it out with the bigger tractor and see how it works. So I got all the parts out, and first impressions, it was packed really nice, not a lot there, and no instructions, which 20 years ago might have been a big deal, but with the age of the internet, and I'm pretty much smart enough, I can kind of figure out how to put everything together without the instructions. So actually a little happier we have none, because it makes me think. So we're gonna kind of set everything up, see what goes where. It's not a whole lot of parts, so it's pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna start kind of setting it up and finger tighten the bolts and see where we get. Okay, to start out, you're gonna have 2 pieces that look like this. And they're gonna come over here. I've already got one on. They're gonna be your sides. So they're gonna go on each side, and then in the center, we're gonna put this bad boy on. Like so. Then, once you get those on and the sides on, you've got 4 holes here, which is going to be for this. That's as far as I figured out so far. Let me get this together and we'll see what's next. Alright, so I went ahead, I got the back plate on, I got these side plates on. I went ahead and mounted this. Now, one thing I did kind of do backwards, I'm more looking at it, and I'm going to be changing those around, is the bolts were originally showing the nuts on the end, or originally came with the nuts pointing the inside, so I kept them oriented the same way. But I'm thinking they probably need to go the other way if it's going to be drag and gravel. Now you have these 3 pieces that go on the back, and they just they mount here, and there's 1 crossbar. And then your next step is this right here, and I just set it on there. I don't have it mounted yet, but it just slides right on. Then you're going to grab the handle, and with the handle you've got a pin. The pin's going to go in here, and then your thing here is just going to go in for your position of the of how the blade is going to be. So popping this in, like I said, just a pin, this will come out. And, you know, depending on what angle you want this for, you know, pretty simple. I've got two more parts here. Not entirely sure where these go to be honest. I don't know if these are part of the front for the sleeve or if they go towards the back somewhere. Like I said, I'm not really sure. They didn't come with bolts or anything. So I'm gonna see if I can Google or contact the company and figure this out. And other than that, it's pretty well put together. I just have to tighten it up. And this back area, put a cinder block or some weights on, make it a little more usable. The other thing I'm going to do next, and I'm going to do another video on it, and that is with the sleeve hitch. Since I do not have a sleeve hitch, I'm going to modify this to make it work with a 3-point hitch. And I think I got an idea of how I'm going to do that. Pretty simple idea. Basically, I've got a drawbar, equalizer, whatever you want to call it, the little bar that goes in for like your cars. I've got an extra long section of that, and I think I'm gonna take it to the neighbor, get a little welding done, and modify it so I can use it on the back of the tractor. But I'm gonna make a second video on that. I just wanted to show the assembly of this for the first one. It's Matt with McGee Farms. If you enjoy the videos, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel. It's all appreciated, and it helps the channel grow. Till next time, have a great day.